Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video, we will look at some of the best blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E310 Explorian Vitamix Blender. Ultra powerful motor. 10 variable speed settings. 6 cup capacity. 5 pounds weight. Plastic jar material. 48 ounces jar capacity. The Vitamix has pro-quality precision and control, which makes everything from silky smooth green smoothies to creamy ones. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 different variable speed settings. Its heavy-duty base wouldn't shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free. This grinding machine has excelled in grinding coffee beans and whirling milkshakes and smoothie soupy in seconds. It's a durable pickup. The carafe is a bit small with 6 cups. The Vitamix Ascent blender is, however, with a larger carafe. They performed exceptionally well at grinding nut butter and blending milkshakes and smoothies with 64 cup-ounce jars. The jar fits nicely on the plastic lid and comes on and off. Number 2. Nutria Bullet. Easy-to-read control panel with large-sized buttons. Personal-sized cups. 10 pounds weight. Plastic jar. 64 ounces, 32 ounces, 24 ounces jar capacity. The well-priced and high-power blenders have 3 jars, making them super versatile and the most suitable pickup. It has a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and has 2 different personal-sized cups. The cups have lids that make the smoothie go smoothly. It has an extract button that blends the smoothie at pre-programmed variable speeds. The blended base isn't much larger than other NutriBullet models. The suction cups are more reliable. Number 3. Breville Furious and Fresh Countertop Blender. The carafe and lid are dishwasher safe. Green smoothie. Great settings. 9 pounds weight. Plastic jar material. 50 ounces jar capacity. This blender performs well. The green smoothie setting has yielded a smooth and creamy texture. This blender has a smoothie button which also has a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute just. This blender produces a silky smooth texture. The Fresh and Furious is quite easy to clean. The jar is just 50 ounces. A high-performing blender produces creamy. This model is a bit expensive but also has the ability to produce juice as 2 appliances in one. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Sleek design. Creamy shakes and smoothies. For pre-programmed. 16 pounds weight. Plastic jar material. 64 ounces jar capacity. 1545 watt. The Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender with a sleek design features a red knob and a lightweight jar. The 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed setting options. The blender produces a smooth, thick milkshake that is creamy and homogeneous. The powerful blender produces frozen drinks. Moreover, it has a unique emulsion cap that helps in adding oil to the blender at an optimal pace. This blender jar is hand-washed easily. The 5-year warranty makes it more reliable. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Self-cleaning cycle. Sleek design. Easy to preset. 12 pounds weight. Plastic jar. 56 ounces jar capacity. The sleek blender crushes ice into snowy consistency and even blends chia seeds. It features easy-to-use presets and a self-cleaning cycle and is used for crushing ice, smoothies, and icy drinks. A little soap and water are added to the self-cleaning cycle that makes sure no food is left behind. The start button is a little small, so pressing it hard or many times makes it activate. The sleek design has many colors. The blender has a lower price. KitchenAid has a smaller and low-cost model. The K150 3-speed ice crush blender allows you to whirl up a soup or a smoothie that has a smaller 6-cup capacity.